hello and hola and bonjour and ich laf schlaf snaklaken, which isn't German, but I thought I would take a shot. Out of all of those, all you need to know is bula, because bula is hello in Fiji, which is where I was a week ago. Australian universities have a 2-week break, and for one of those weeks I decided to go to Fiji. I went with a group of 9 strangers with the Fiji experience. I didn't just find 9 strangers and decide I was going with them. Fiji has a really interesting history and culture, which isn't something I knew really about prior to the trip, so it was really interesting to have Amy, our tour guide, tell us all about it as the trip went on, and I feel like by the end of it I really started to appreciate and understand what Fiji is all about. I'm gonna do this video in 2 parts because otherwise it would have been like a 30-minute video, maybe 20 minutes, I don't know, I haven't edited it together yet, to be honest, so we'll find out. But for now, enjoy Fiji Part 1. This is the first 2 days of the Fiji experience.
Malea que vitita leva Kaura buera ya longanga Osana waile bakalasa-lasa Nimbula que desarra Nanu mi vitiva nua lai Sasanga me corona que mai Tumbu koviti me rongo endai Bura malea me kilai Nenda samai veikune kalei Menonda tuna langilani and chips, and if you swing those seeds into the rampa, I'll give you bacon and eggs, and if you shake those legs into the samba, I'll give you fish and chips, and if you swing those seeds into the rampa.
Ruth and I are about to go get massages. Bula! Get a 15-minute complimentary massage, so obviously we jumped right on that. So this is our showers. You fill up a bucket and you pour it on your head, basically. That woman just got proposed to during sunset on a romantic beach. So due to the British invasion of this group, we're having fish and chips, but they have influenced me to have a, oh gosh, chip chip boe, which is bread, margarine, chips, and ketchup. Or French fries, sorry. And I don't know how. I just, we'll see how this goes.
Come over here.
Time for games night. This is our shower. It's got some foliage, a bench in case you want to take a seat, and the actual shower. We're on the back of a truck. He's going so fast. We are heading back to the boat. I think we're going on a boat now. We're not going on a truck again. Went up there's like 3 levels of waterfalls there. I couldn't take the camera obviously because it is not waterproof, but we got to a final waterfall and I had a very embarrassing moment of anxiety where I thought I could jump off this really tall cliff, but I couldn't, and everybody else did, and everybody else was going around me and I couldn't go, and yeah, it was really embarrassing. So we're riding in the dark on a motorboat through a lagoon. Is that what this is? No lagoon. Some sort of water. So we're back on the bus. How does everybody feel?